Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some important news for all you Pixel users out there, especially if you're part of the Android Beta program. Google has just started rolling out the Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3 update, and while it might not be packed with flashy new features, it brings a fix for a seriously annoying problem that has been plaguing many of us. So, what's the big deal with this update? Well, Google is specifically targeting a major bug that caused the lock screen to freeze. You know, the one you wake up your phone and it just becomes completely unresponsive, forcing you to do a hard restart. It's been a huge source of frustration, and it looks like Google has finally squashed it. The official issue number for this bug was 457,527,675, and seeing it resolved in the changelog is a massive relief. This new build is rolling out to a wide range of devices, starting from the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro all the way up to the latest Pixel 10 series and even the Pixel foldables. If you have a Pixel 6 series device, you'll be looking for build number BP41.250916. This is pretty typical for a QPR or quarterly platform release. These updates are all about refining the system and ironing out the kinks before the stable version goes public. We saw a similar focus on stability with Beta 3.1, which fixed some critical boot loop issues. So, Beta 3.3 is another step in that right direction, making the software more reliable for daily use. If you're already enrolled in the Android Beta program, you should be getting this update over the air anytime now. If you're feeling impatient, you can always head over to your phone's settings. Go to System, then Software Update, and manually check for it. For those of you who haven't joined the beta program but are tired of that lock screen freeze, signing up is still pretty easy on Google's beta website. Just remember, beta software is still beta software, so there's always a small chance of encountering other minor quirks. So, while on paper an update with just one major bug fix might not sound like the most exciting news, it's actually a really important one. It makes our Pixel experience smoother and more dependable, which is what we all want. This brings us one step closer to the final stable QPR2 release, which we're expecting to see later this year, most likely around December. If you've been one of the unlucky ones dealing with those random freezes and slowdowns, this update should make a noticeable difference. It's great to see Google listening to the community and prioritizing these critical fixes. What do you think? Have you been experiencing this lock screen bug? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Android news. I'll catch you in the next one.